Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to use JioMart application in your any smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your JioMart. So you can, if you don't have this application, you can download it from the Play Store application or App Store application. So this is the groceries category, electronic, coupons and beauty. Select your niche with whatever you want to buy. Just tap on that. If you want to buy this, you can add it by clicking on this plus icon just like this. If it is electronic, you can choose anything. Just simply tap on here. Just simply add to the cart. Here it is, I am adding this. Let's click on view cart. So here it will show the total price just like this. You can see delivered by before 1 p.m. So you can click on login to proceed. So this is how you can just simply add, and here you can log in to apply the coupon. You can select the address of yours, then you can just go for shopping and it will instantly deliver to your home. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.